Americans are very direct communicators. They tend to convey their entire message verbally and paying less attention to the body language. People are expected to get to the point. This does not mean courtesy in disregarded communication, but it does not mean that Americans may sometimes miss nuances, such as understatement in conversation or some types of humor, for example, subtle sarcasm or ironic statement. German communication styles are quite direct and functionally purpose. People generally speak honestly, clearly, and explicitly, arrive straight to the point. Criticism may be delivered vaguely in order to remain polite and avoid offense, but the German's intention and meaning is usually clear and apparent through their precise word choice. New Zealanders are relatively indirect communicators. They do their best not to create conflict and take careful measures to remain polite throughout discussion. This usually involves making hints that vaguely communicate their message without rocking the boat. Nevertheless, communication is not so indirect that one has to decipher it. New Zealanders tend to speak openly enough that the intention and meaning of their words are easily apparent. That's all in the video. Thank you for watching.